Living in the South in the spring, you get a lot of pollen. And I don't know when the last time the cabin air filter in this car was changed. So I'm gonna change it. I got in the other day and turned the AC on and a lot of particles came out. So let's see if we can replace it. So I think removing the box is easy. So there are screws here, 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 and then two below that I'll show you in a bit. But now I want to get to taking off the ones that I can see. And the final two are right here. And over here. This is a lot just to replace a filter. But I guess you don't do it that often. I've had 3 GD WRXs, and this is the first cabin air filter I'm ever replacing. So now this bad boy should. So it should come off. Oops. Ugh. So it's off. Actually, I should have had to unplug it, but this came off. Anyway, I can get to the filter now. I'm gonna remove these hooks, and that should let me pull the cover off. And look, there is no filter. There is no filter, no wonder. All the pollen was getting sucked in. There is no filter in there. So this is a filter I picked up. I don't know anything about filters, but the local auto parts store had it. So here's a new filter, and I'm pretty sure the air flows that way. Yes, and it says airflow is down. I don't know if y'all can read that, but the instructions say the airflow is down, so the arrows point down. See, I'm gonna take this guy out. There. That should make things a little easier. It goes in this way. There we go. And now just put the cover back on. Damn it, and I just broke the cover a little bit. But anyway, now I have a cabin air filter installed. So now I'll put the glove box back on. There we go. So now I actually have a cabin air filter. It wasn't a replacement, it was an install. I will continue to document all the improvements and maintenance that I do on my 04 WRX. If you would like to follow along, hit subscribe. If you would like to see the things I've already done, check out the playlist. Thanks for watching. Take care.